What is it, Max?
It's a laptop.
How do you know?
Because Rob just told me.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Rick, Jen.
Keep inside yourself.
I know, I just...
Yo, what up, John? Johnny Franklin.
Is this his unboxing video? Johnny Franklin's.
I'm just excited, though.
Yeah, you pull it out. See right here.
Oh, you do it.
Hold that out first. So that security tape you have right here. Take this.
Oh.
Nice.
Is there another surprise in there?
This just came in from the factory today.
Yo, what up, Frank?
He wants a video recorded.
Then we're gonna show the video to Emily.
Slide it out.
Is the internet?
No. Right there. See the little line? Not like that.
Don't go crazy. Oh wow. Oh my gosh.
Let's see it all around before you open it up. Okay, it looks like it needs a battery.
Yeah.
Where is the battery in there? Let me see it. Let me see it.
This is awesome. Is this the fingerprint scanning?